Hello, Mom and Sir, especially to my future employer. Thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself. I am Maria Charmaine Briol, 35 years of age from Philippines. I am a mother of three lovely kids, ages 10, 7, and 6 years old. I am graduated from Bachelor of Science in Midwifery, where the main center of our study is about childcare. As my experience, I work in United Arab Emirates for 4 years in one employer. I serve 7 family members, 2 adults and 5 children, ages 17, 14, 11, 9 years old, and a newborn baby. My main duty there is to take good care of the kids, especially the newborn, when the parents are in work. I change diapers and feed her milk. I teach and assess them with their homeworks. I play with them, send them to bed, assess, shower, and most especially, I teach them on how to be kind, friendly, and have respect to others. I also do a household chores like cooking, cleaning, washing dishes, washing clothes, and ironing. Mom, sir, I am very confident about my knowledge and skills as a nanny because I am responsible, trustworthy, and love being with the kids. So I can assure you that I will love and take care of them as my own. Mom, sir, please consider my application as a nanny and be a part of your family. Thank you very much.